Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Parish View in Salford M5 to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached property located within walking distance of Salford Quays and Media City. As we head inside, we go into a porch which flows on through. It's this lovely modern fitted kitchen. Which provides ample space, as you can see. Towards the rear of the property, we've got this really nice neutral, bright lounge. And this flows on through. It's this nice low maintenance garden at the rear, complete with artificial grass, stones and paving. The property is conveniently located with an easy access of Manchester City Centre, along with Regent Road Retail Park, which provides a range of amenities, including shops, bars and restaurants between them. Upstairs from the landing, you'll find 3 well-proportioned bedrooms, the largest to the front of the property. Then we've got the second bedroom, just through here, which also is a double bedroom. The third bedroom. And finally, we have this nice modern contemporary 3-piece bathroom. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.